I'm going to be showing you how to get the link. So I'm going to put a link in the description and it's going to bring you here. You're going to click download, right? If this pops up, it's okay. It only says this. Well, it'll say it's going to harm your device. It only says that because it's not from the App Store. So press download and then it'll start downloading. This is really safe, like promise. Because I'm doing it right now. Proof. Look, I'll swipe up and down. Alright, so you want to click it right now. And it'll bring you here. Or whatever. Well, not on. I don't know what will happen on iOS. So it'll bring you here. So this will take a few seconds. So skip ahead a little bit. Or I'll fast forward it. I will be doing a Minecraft hack. As you can see, it's right there. Let me get rid of this one then. As you can see, it's right there, and I'm going to be recording a video right after it. It gives you all the skins, and I'm recording a video on it after. You know what? Y'all just skip ahead a little bit now. So for the Minecraft hack, I want 23 subs. 23 subs for the Minecraft hack. Then after the Minecraft, I'll be recording a Robux giveaway video. So So just skip ahead a little bit. Or I might speed it up, but I don't know. Okay, so 30 seconds left. How long? 2 minutes recording. Okay, I'll just cut this video a little bit. Sorry it's taking so long to download. So anyways. So here now while we're waiting. And then you want to click it. And if it says you get blocked, and it's completely okay. So you go to your settings. This is for Android. Then you go to, I think, security. And then go to unknown sources and turn it on. Press OK when the little pop-up comes up. And then go back. Then install. So this will take a second to install. Hold on, somebody wanted me to shout them out. Hold on, let me check. I'm on my computer right now. Here, somebody want me to shout them out. Give me a link for a shout out. Oh. Kid MCPE commented, please. Okay. I will give you the link in this video, of course. but watch the video to see what I do. So this is super simple. So then you just want to press open, of course, derp. But then like people will be like, so say you're on a tablet, right? And then you'll be like, nothing's here, there's no stuff. So you want to go into apps or whatever you want to go to get to here. It's probably different on the iPads, and then swipe until you see the app, and then just bring it out. And you're all goody. And then so as it's loading, then you just want to, alright, so I'm not going to put any ad flyer or anything, it's super simple. Okay guys, remember, for the $100 giveaway, I want 75 subs, but that's for later. I will be doing a hacked Roblox account with a bunch of Roblox. To see, when you first start off, you'll probably be like, oh my god, I have all the characters. Yeah, so you can choose anybody you want. We're going to be this guy, because I like him, right? And you know, any outfit for every single person. This is untouched, because you just saw me download it. And then look, you start off with all these awards. The boards lag. And you're like, oh my god, look, I have all the boards. Can't you see how happy I am? I'm just gonna do the cactus. But then you're gonna be like, oh my god, you lied to us. Nope, this isn't charging me anything at all. And then you can go to store, and then look in the top of the screen. Free, it doesn't charge you anything. So this is so you have to die a few times to get the chance to revive yourself. And you get 1,000 multiplier. Yeah, this is really cool. So, and you also don't get to do the tutorial. So this is the end of the video. So I will see, oh yeah, swipe up to fly. It's so simple. So just like the video and subscribe for the alright, 23 subs for the Minecraft hack. It's very major, so actually, yeah. Well, this is it for you guys, so I'll see you guys later, and like and sub. Bye-bye.